Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Meet add-on for Google Workspace, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Google Meet add-on for Google Workspace, open your Google Workspace account in your web browser. Locate the Google Workspace apps icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the icon to view the list of available applications. From the list, select Google Meet. Once Google Meet is open, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the Settings gear icon to access the Options menu. In the Settings menu, find the Add-ons section. Click on Add-ons to see all add-ons that are currently installed. Locate the Google Meet add-on in the list of installed add-ons. Hover over the Google Meet add-on to reveal additional options. Click on the three vertical dots or the More option next to the add-on. From the drop-down menu, select Remove or Uninstall. A confirmation window will appear to ensure you want to uninstall the add-on. Click OK or Confirm to proceed with the uninstallation. The Google Meet add-on will now be removed from your Google Workspace account. You may want to refresh your browser to ensure that the changes take effect. Check again in the Add-ons section to confirm that the Google Meet add-on is no longer listed. You have successfully uninstalled the Google Meet add-on from your Google Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.